To move objects on the photos in a Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to launch our camera app. Next step is to select the photo that we want to move the object on. Let's say that I want to move this entire miniature to the right side of the photo. We can then go to edit the photo, go to actions, and then select the move. Now we need to wait a few moments until all of the objects are detected. Click on the object that you want to move. Make sure it's fully selected. Let me do it again because it didn't quite detect the miniature. So we want to click like this. Now it's fully selected, which means we can move it to whichever place we like. I want to move it right here. And then click on move. Now, depending on the photo, the quality of that movement will differ. So in this case, let's see how it works. It didn't work quite well, as you can see. But in other cases it may work. You can try it for yourself. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.